Rust-Oleum's glow-in-the-dark Max Spray Paint is a unique coating that produces a bright, long-lasting glow after its surface has been exposed to light. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to turn a basic lantern into the highlight of your space. Be sure to spray in a well-ventilated area and cover the surrounding area to protect from overspray. Mask off any parts of the lantern that you don't want painted. To ensure best results, glow-in-the-dark Max must be applied to a white surface. We recommend applying 1 to 2 coats of Rust-Oleum Bulls Eye 123 primer before painting. Read all instructions before spraying. Once you're ready, shake the can vigorously for 1 minute. Hold the can upright about 20 to 30 centimeters from the surface. Begin spraying with a steady back and forth motion. The any angle nozzle works from every direction so you can maintain a consistent, smooth flow while covering hard to reach areas. The more of this paint you apply, the brighter it will glow. To achieve the best effect, spray on 3 or more light coats a few minutes apart. Next, allow your project to dry for at least 20 minutes. Now place your project under direct light for several hours. Artificial light works better than sunlight. When you are ready to display your finished project, keep in mind that the darker the setting, the more intense the glow will be. The glow will last for several hours, either indoors or out. Now you can create projects that truly glow even after the lights go out. For additional information and how-to videos on a wide range of products, go to rust-oleum.co.za.